Are you passionate about making a difference in your community? Do you believe in the power of conversation to promote awareness and access to behavioral and mental health services? Introducing BeWellPBC's Community Connectors, the dynamic team of Palm Beach County residents who are leading the way in behavioral health advocacy. BeWellPBC Community Connectors are the driving force behind our movement. These outstanding community members are the bridge that connects residents with system leaders. Together in collaboration, these two groups create opportunities for growth, increase awareness, access, and connections to services and support. This year, we are expanding our Community Connector team, and we want you, the residents of Palm Beach County, to join us in this transformative journey. Reach out to us at BeWellPBC.org. Let's create a stronger, healthier community together. Join BeWellPBC's Community Connectors and be the change. BeWellPBC, lifting up behavioral health and wellness, inspiring connections, transforming lives.